Did we stop?
I don't know.
Oh no, we're good. We just lost our screen.
Hey, welcome to Pure Octane Garage.
You're Ryan.
And you're Brandon.
That's right. And we're going to bring you automotive detailing information.
And other automotive goodness.
What we got today, Ryan?
Today we've got some other automotive goodness. I was, on the old interwebs the other day, and I saw this product offered by another car guy, or talked about by another car guy, and it was about he wanted to track his Corvette.
Okay.
And what an easy way to track your favorite ride than with an Apple AirTag.
Yes.
So he pointed out there's a company called Elevation Lab. Now again, they're not sponsoring us or anything. I bought this with my own money. Elevation Lab, and it's called TagVault. And I have TagVault Magnetic.
I like that.
And it's a waterproof AirTag mount. Now the one that I saw in that video that I watched, it was one of these, but it wasn't magnetic. It was you literally use two little sheet metal screws to attach it to your vehicle. Yeah, okay, exactly. I bought the magnetic one because I don't want to be drilling holes in my vehicle,
100%,
or your vehicle, or anybody. But let me show you the packaging, and then we'll show the device here.
Nice.
So I noticed on their website they have all kinds of strong, waterproof, weatherproof enclosures.
Did they offer an adhesive option also?
They did. They had ones with like the real strong 3M adhesive.
Molding tape or whatever. Yeah,
tape. Okay. They had one that attached to fabric. Again, they had the one with two little places for like sheet metal screws or whatever, if you want to attach it somewhere.
However you want to.
And this one is I
like magnetic.
These super strong magnets
underneath the vehicle or whatever you're trying to do.
Yeah. I'll pop it out of the container here.
Caution: product contains magnetized material.
I'll show you this.
Did we stop?
I don't know.
Oh no, we're good. We just lost our screen. Actually, I leave it in there.
Yeah. I was just like, I wanted to see what I was showing you, and I can't see.
And our front screen.
But anyway, I'm sure you'll see this here.
The GoPro overheated.
Yeah, I did. GoPros tend to overheat.
It's probably going to happen too.
So, but you noticed something there.
Yeah, it just says, "Hi, Ryan." No, it doesn't say Ryan. Just kidding. Please insert AirTag and tighten before mounting. So they want you to put the AirTag in first, make it easier.
I gotta say that makes sense.
Okay.
But here, in fact, my AirTag is in here.
Nice.
But yeah, anyway, the magnet, nice, big magnetic surface.
Excellent.
And here, so I'm going to open this up here.
Sure.
Actually,
Is it going to fall out?
I want you to kind of hear it. It's kind of
nice threads, yeah.
So really nice. It's got this nice silicone seal in there. Check that out, Brandon.
It even says something.
I got my AirTag stuck in here.
Unconditionally guaranteed for life. That's what it says.
Oh, that's pretty good. There's the inner cavity of the vault.
IP68 waterproof. I don't know what that means, but it
sounds good to me. But where I'm putting this in my vehicle, hopefully it'll never get wet in there. But but it's good to know. So the AirTag, and I just place it in there, like so.
Cap it.
And then yeah, I mean.
Ooh, the dog likes it over there.
Yeah, I hear that. But anyway, so now, we just wanted to quick show you a good place to put it.
Yeah.
Put the vault.
Yeah, this should be simple. Let's go over and pop it in a vehicle.
All right, Brandon. So the TagVault.
We've got the TagVault.
This is the magnetic one.
Got the magnetic side. We're gonna go here in the.
Now it's one of those super strong magnets. So you're okay. Yeah, the wheel.
We're gonna go underneath
the spare wheel well.
Look, this car doesn't have a spare tire, like many cars today, right?
Yeah, that's a common thing.
We're gonna just
careful. It's strong.
Put it back. There he goes.
Oh yeah, and so yeah, I mean,
there you go.
You got it there, and it's not gonna be rattling. Or you could put it down on the floor itself. Or,
and it's not. You gotta peel it pretty good to get it off.
Yeah, so it's not gonna be flying around. And again, you could even hide it if you want a little better, but anyway, so that's really it.
Yeah, if you really don't want someone to see it, go over here, like.
Yeah, look. See, we can't
even see it.
You probably
can't see that.
Look, we can't even see it. That's perfect.
Under the funnel.
Yeah. Anything that's metal for this one.
There you go, guys. TagVault. Great find, Ryan.
Yeah. So If you like videos like this, please give us a thumbs up. We appreciate it.
Keep track of your car.
Keep track of your car. Track your car.
People steal cars. That sucks.
I know. And you know, I've got trackers all over my car, so I want somebody to take it.
You know what you could also use this for? Never mind. I don't want to talk about that on here.
Yeah, you could also put that. You could put that on your bike,
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. On your bike.
motorcycle, bike, lawnmower. No, I don't know.
I've watched a lot of movies where they use these. They track people.
Yeah, or you could put it on a bad guy's vehicle.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
If
Okay.
you're a police officer.
Yes.
All right.
Till the next video. Description for the product. I'm sorry, description below.
Yeah.
Link for this. Link
what
for
he
the
said.
TagVault.
What he
Link
said.
for the TagVault will be in the description below if you want to pick one up. So
I think the heat's getting to us.
yeah, I say everything backwards when it gets hot.
All right, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Appreciate you guys.
Like my complexion?
And no, I'm zooming in on the logo.
Oh, that's better.
Yeah, tell your friends. Bye.
Later, guys.
Later.
Plastic does not work.
Yeah.
I wouldn't recommend out here.
No, you definitely don't want to scratch the paint,
Watch me.
so stop that.